Hello again and welcome to Hank's Garage. We have a question that we got presented with as far as turbocharger, supercharger maintenance, induction system maintenance, and what you need to do and how to maintain, whether it's a European or an import brand. And it's really important to make sure that the induction systems are serviced regularly, to make sure that the dust, dirt, sludge that builds up in the induction system that may affect sensor operation or airflow into the engine is maintained, and that it's correct at all times to give you that optimal performance, cold starting, as well as less emission lights, and of course warnings and going into limp mode, or what we call reduced power mode. So turbochargers have what they call an intercooler, such as the supercharger as well. We want to make sure that the tubing from the turbocharger is in fact clean, oil-free. The air filter system, the intercooler itself is clean and not full of debris at the front, because they're typically at the front of the engine to keep things cool, of course, where there's the maximum amount of airflow to make sure that it works properly and that it cools down the air as the turbocharger or the supercharger is operating. High temperatures are generated, goes into the intercooler, and it gets blown back to the engine by way of cooler air to give you that performance that we all love and appreciate when we put their foot on the gas. So it's very, very important to make sure that induction system is clean and that your tubes, your hoses, your clamps, intercooler are regularly maintained and inspected to make sure that they are in fact working at the optimal capacity and the ability.